Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to back my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change camera mode 720 from 1080 and 4K. So you can, as you can see, is the up corner 720 mode. So how can you turn into 4K mode? Just click on the setting button and scroll down and find the camera. So here's the camera. Just click on the print for settings. So just click on turn on live photo and record video. Click on at 4K, record slow-mo, click on 1080 and just go to back to your camera. So here's the up corner, as you can see, showing 4K. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos.